Nice.
Glass. That's epoxy. The wall is all epoxy.
Really?
Yeah, it's 3 inch of epoxy. 24 gallons of epoxy.
Oh, wow. What made you do epoxy?
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Coming in. I like the style of the truck. What is that? Laminate over? I mean, I don't know what it is.
Paper.
Paper.
Yeah,
oh, wow.
Paper, yeah,
That's pretty cool.
I just did it like last week. They finished
Really?
it last week.
Nice. Nice work. Anyway, what's your name and what's in here?
Irvin.
Irvin, okay.
Yeah, I got 415s, V6s on 28K, some down half on.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I did a fiberglass. That's epoxy. The wall is all epoxy.
Really?
Yeah, it's 3
Wow.
inch of epoxy.
So did you do that on a platform and then put it in?
Yes, I did it. I did a base, and I poured like 24 gallons of epoxy.
Oh, wow. What made you do epoxy instead of wood?
I don't know. I wanted to do something different.
Something different. That is different. I've never seen a flat wall epoxied, and that's probably what, 3 inches thick? 2 inches? Wow.
3 inches thick.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Man. So what is your electrical power or tuning, box, cubic space, or anything?
I got a G-Long 240 amp hour.
Okay.
I got 2 alternators, Macman 370.
Okay.
And then what else? What else? That's it, right? Yeah.
Any 4-channel, 2 channels?
The amps?
Yeah.
They 2 channels.
2 channels.
Mono black. Yeah.
Okay.
Literally 1 channel. Yeah.
Yeah. So anything for the doors?
For the doors, I got a Taram. I got 2 8, 4 8s, 4 10s. The tuners are not working because I just finished building it.
Okay.
Friday.
Got it. Oh, well,
So,
okay.
Yeah, Friday. I just came real quick down here.
So you just finished this wall?
Literally. Yeah,
Really? Okay.
Literally.
What made you go with driver port?
With this side?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, like, because I don't want to be in front of the speakers.
Oh, there you go. That's a good point. So that your seats don't hit it.
Yeah. So I
Nice.
can just go back all the way.
Yes, sir. Very nice. I actually can see in through this.
Exactly.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's
I'm gonna put some
crazy.
lights and everything
Yeah, you're
inside.
gonna be able to see it nicely.
It's gonna be nice. Yeah.
Where's your amplifiers at?
All the way in the back. On the. Yeah.
Okay. Can I go see him real quick? Good thing I didn't have the door open. Nice. How much lithium is that?
That's 240.
240, okay.
Yeah.
And these amps at 1 ohm, half ohm?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay.
Yeah, each.
Nice. Do you have an upgraded alternator I can see?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got brand tax
What vehicle? What vehicle is it?
Ram 1500 2008.
2008 Ram, okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'd love to hear it. Sorry, I like to see everything.
Yeah, my number is like 159.5.
159? Okay.
Yeah. They just told me that I made it into the top 10 on the country.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, on the,
That's awesome.
I did on the seat. I did headrest. I did 158 point. I got it right here somewhere.
That's pretty good. What frequency?
34. 158.4.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's good.
He said on the modified 2, I think it is modified 2, and he said I did the top 10 on the country.
That's awesome.
That's pretty good.
Headrest score. And then did you do anything to kick or the glass?
On the kicker was 159.8.
Okay.
I was looking for those 2 points.
Almost the 60.
And
Yep.
on the window was like 159.2.
159.2. Wow. Awesome. You're going to get that 60, son. Nice to meet you, man.
I haven't tuned it in yet. Once I tune it in,
That's right.
I think I'm gonna get it. Thanks, Bob.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Really impressive and one of a kind, unique style wall I've never really seen before, with epoxy as the actual baffle. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. He was showcasing this at the TDH show in Virginia of 2023, Team Deadly Hurt show. Just recently recorded this a couple weeks ago. Really glad to share it with y'all. Like the actual truck layout look with the port on the driver's side. If you notice, he actually has a little PVC roundover, and he still has some tuning and tweaking to do on the box. He says it wasn't finished, but he made it to the show. I like the way that he had his amplifier rack installed under his back truck cover. That way everything was hidden from the sun and it was rainproof. It is probably the most optimal spot to put it, since he had amount of space utilized in this truck to kind of pretty much wall off the subwoofers. And it's a lot of power being pushed in these subs right at the 160 mark. I'm sure he's going to break that 160 on the glass once he gets everything fine-tuned. As it mentioned in the title, having the epoxy subwoofer wall makes it really solid and probably hard to reinforce, so I'm sure he took a lot of time to get this where it is. So be sure to give him a like and comment. So we're getting to the cardio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on the channel. Make sure you have that bell on and enjoy the demo.
Awesome. Really nice job, man. Congrats, man. And this thing is solid. It is solid. It don't move. Nice.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.